Transmission tunnel, carbon fiber, side exhaust covers, and speaker box.
Door panels and carbon fiber LSN covers.
Rear tubs and floor 3-piece kit, door actuator brackets, complete interior package.
Starting with the upper dash, left and right lower dash, the center gauge cluster, which has our iPad that controls the infinity box.
Carbon fiber door skins, windshield molding.
Firewall block off, license plate bezel.
Bumperettes, grill molding.
Rear quarter splash shields, one-piece carbon fiber top.
Accelerator pedal bracket.
For a little concealment, front to rear inner fenders with an extension that you put in after the inner fender's bonded in, which the inner fender's bonded to a custom firewall.
Front clip, rear clip, front bumper, rear bumper, front splitter, and rear spoiler.
Big block hood, and back to the extensions on the inner fenders. We have block-off panels, access, so you can remove the panel once it's in, portion of it, so you can tuck away a battery, you can tuck away your computer, you can tuck away whatever your dreams want to tuck.